Hey everybody, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Just really quick, I wanted to do a quick video on patient recruitment. Okay, I've been getting tons of emails from people asking me, hey, I have a patient recruitment startup. I want to know what the biggest obstacles are to participants joining clinical trials. And so I get like different forms of this question, not a daily basis, but on a weekly basis. And I just wanted to make a quick video. I've done videos on recruitment before. Look, the problem with patient recruitment when it comes to digital marketing startups, right? Specifically companies that try to utilize and leverage social media and the internet to recruit study participants is the fact that study participants are only looking for studies when they're looking for studies. They're not looking for studies year-round, especially research-naive patients. So if you got a really difficult study, like rare indication, orphan disease, or even not, just like a diabetes study with a difficult inclusion-exclusion criteria, these people are not on social networks talking about their condition, nor are they necessarily looking for clinical research options. They're looking for sometimes alternative treatments or therapies. Most people, I would say 99% of patients out there, we're all patients, I'm a patient, you're a patient, all patients out there, 99.9% maybe, have no freaking clue what clinical research is. So to expect them to be out there looking for clinical research as an alternative is ludicrous to me. We have to think of different strategies to get these people involved, meaning we have to create content that is in parallel to clinical research. So definitely providing content about their medical indication or their disease and creating content around those communities that are already active on there. So you creating a social media agency that's going to be leveraging social networks and the internet to find clinical trial participants is probably going to fail. Like, not, again, 99.9% of them are going to fail because they don't understand the way you target study participants is the way you would target any patient out there. Okay, you're not going to create an ad specific for clinical research and target them. One of my startups that I'm working on, it's not launched yet, it's going to revolve around physician reviews, kind of like Yelp, and it's also going to overlay clinicaltrials.gov on top of it. So now you're targeting people who are just looking for physicians for a particular medical indication. We're going to sprinkle it with content related to the medical indication, like oncology. We're going to have content about oncology, and we're just going to subtly mention clinical research. That's the best way to solve this clinical trial participant dilemma when it comes to finding research-naive study participants. If you're targeting people who have already joined trials, that's not difficult because they know where to look. They first of all know what a clinical trial is, they understand what a clinical trial is, and they know where to look. So chances are they're going to be going to the same clinics over and over and over again. 99.9% of patients out there have no clue what clinical research is and have never done a study. These are the ones you want to get in your pipeline. These are your customers you want to target, and just doing the same old things that everyone else has been doing is not going to work. You need to provide value, tremendous value up front to these patients. Understand that most of them are not going to do a clinical trial, so you're giving them value for free, and you're focusing on those 10% that would be interested in a clinical trial. So it's a lot of work for very little results, but it is possible, and very few people are doing this properly, if anyone out there at all. So yeah, that's my take on and rant on clinical trial digital recruitment. All right? Thanks for watching. This is Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.